Welcome to Movie Recommendation System Rahul. Enter one of the above platform to suggest you some good movies. So these are the list of fan favorite series or say movies from all platforms right now. So these are the trending series on Netflix right now with their IMDb's. So these are the trending series on Amazon Prime right now with their IMDb's. So these are the new and upcoming superhero movies or say series. So these are the list of new movies in theaters in Belgaum right now. So these are the trending series on Disney Plus Hotstar right now with their IMDb's. Thanks for using the system. Have a good day, Rahul.